Welcome. Today we're discussing how to install dimension wall panels from MDC. These deeply textured wall panels come in a wide range of patterns and finishes, and they are the perfect way to beautify any room. I can't wait to show you how easy they are to install. Let's get started.
To successfully install your wall panels, you'll need the recommended adhesive, a trowel, a wiping cloth, a pair of scissors or a razor knife, electric shears if you have them available, a straight edge, a tape measure, and a J-roller. Before installation, make sure your wall panels have been stored flat and allowed to acclimatize to the environment for at least 24 hours. This will make the material much easier to fabricate and install. Next, measure the area you'll be installing your wall panels to determine how many panels you'll need. After measuring, you may need to adjust the installation plan based on the width or height of your wall panels. There are two easy options to trim or cut your wall panels. You can use a razor knife with a straight edge to first score and then snap the panels, or simply cut the panels with electric shears or a pair of scissors. Remember to always cut your panels from the decorative side. Do not cut from the back. Be sure to wipe down all surfaces before installation. The surface will need to be dry, smooth, and free from all dust, grease, wax, and other particles. Make sure to choose a cleaning method that is compatible with the surface that you are cleaning. Now that you have a clean surface and the wall panels are trimmed, let's talk about the seams. Most of the wall panels are designed with a built-in overlap or bio, which is a flat edge that runs along the top and the right of each panel. A few wall panels have our bio feature that is a bead and button style. To install these, simply overlap the panels at the edges on the bead and button perimeter, allowing them to nest together. You may also be interested in adding trim pieces to complete your look. There are different profiles available, and these slip over the edge of your wall panels for easy installation. Inside and outside corners, edge J-trims and dividers are available in many standard matching colors. If installing into a corner, some patterns can be heat bent into or around a corner. For more deeply textured patterns, it is advised to use trim pieces instead. When installing your wall panels, use a recommended trowel-on adhesive with a correctly sized V-notch trowel. After applying adhesive to the wall, lay up the first panel. Apply pressure as you hold the wall panel in contact with the adhesive. Some panels will have a protective masking, which will need to be removed at this time. Ensure that the panel is straight and then move to the next one. When finished, use a paint roller or J-roller to add